Hello guys and hope doing well. This is my last project for the rain detector or water tank detector. As you can see, this is CD 4093. The back side is piezo. The input power is teeny small battery connected to the charger module. You can use the 3.5 or 3.7 volt also, and it is connected to the plate. It is super sensitive, as you can see when I'm touching. All side of plates work very well. The difference between this project and the other project is the uh, sensitivity and also the output of the project, because of this project's output is frequency, and it means we don't have any limitation for the connectivity here from 100 ohm up to 4 giga ohm. And also, as you can see, when I'm touching 2 times, for example, the first hand is connected. When I'm connecting the other hand, the sound gonna be changed. It means that we don't have any limit for the um, we don't have any limit for the uh, input resistance. And as I told before, it will work from 100 ohm up to 100 mega. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.